Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Air, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Okay, so to get started, obviously we want to open up our settings, and in here scroll all the way to the bottom and find System and Update. Next, select Reset Options and Erase All Data Factory Reset. Give it a moment and it will present you with the data that will be removed by this process, which disregard the first three useless informations listed here, as the ones that matter will be things like music, photos, and not other but all user data. Now you also might see some kind of applications listed right here. If you do, don't really need to worry about those. What you should worry is about the three last things listed here. So if you have anything that you'd like to back up, do that right now before you go any further. Now I recommend, if you're planning to back up your user data, to do it with a cable yourself to your computer. I don't ever recommend backing up your data to the cloud. It's basically as though you're backing up your personal information to someone else's computer, which then dictates on when you have access to it and for how long and what you can do with it. How about no? So I don't recommend it. There are certain, for instance, laws in European Union, if I remember correctly, that prohibits companies from keeping your data for longer than they need to, which is, I believe, like 2 or 3 years. So if you don't do anything with that data for this period of time, your data just gets deleted. Now, don't worry. First, it's going to get fed to the AI to train it and, you know, feed the algorithm and know exactly who you are. So your data is actually unavailable to you, but it's been used to train everything along the way, so it can basically know what you're gonna do next better than you know. So yeah, I don't recommend, like I said, backing up your data to the cloud, because it's just really kind of counterproductive to you and to your security, data security, and your just personal life. Now, by backing it up to your computer, you have full control over this data. You know who has access to it or who you're given access to it. It stays there as long as you want to, and you can restore it on any other device. You're not basically limited to what you can do with it. So that's my recommendation. Now, on this device, I don't have anything that I will be backing up, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data, confirm my screen lock, and select it again. Now this will begin factory resetting the device, which will take probably 2 minutes or so to finish up. And once it's completed, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.